Okay, we're about ready to take off from Phuket Airpark to Koh Hay, an island about 10 kilometers southeast of Phuket. My friend here, Kun Am, is a GoPro camera guru. She's just installed 2 GoPros in my airplane and she's going to show me how to use them. So here we are, 1800, 6 p.m., ready to go.
Okay, we ready? Okay, it's recording.
Oil pressure good. Oil temperature coming up quick.
Boop, boop, boop. Okay. And we're ready to go.
Ready to go.
Phuket Airpark, Hotel Sierra, Juliet Alpha, India. Ready, taking off, runway 13. Okay, go.
Okay. Now rolling out.
Yeah.
Amy's flying. I'm going to record the takeoff. A bit bouncy here. Very bouncy. Okay. Here we are. We're off.
Yeah, we're off. Okay, very good. And we turn right.
100 feet.
Yeah. 200 feet.
200 feet. Flap still on.
Yeah.
RPM 5,400.
Okay, so coming to 300 feet. Flap up.
Flaps
Here.
up. There they go.
Yeah, here we go. And a little bit reduce the throttle to set to 5,000 RPM.
Right.
Fuel pump off.
Fuel pump off.
Yeah, so we are set now. Oh, this one.
Was it on or not on?
Yeah.
It was on or you just turned it on?
I just turned it off.
Oh.
But this one on already.
So it
No,
was...
the sound record and this one, not that one.
Yeah, but during the takeoff, were you and I visible or no?
No.
Okay.
But it's visible in this camera.
Okay, just so I learn how this GoPro thing works.
Yeah. Okay. You fly, good job?
Yeah, sure. And the course, our heading for Koh Hay should be what?
How many degrees?
Yeah, like that.
Is the nose right on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the nose right on it.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
I gotta trim it. Roll left.
Left. So I trim left, okay?
Yeah. Oh, good. Better. Better, yes.
Okay. And you need the trim pitch also?
Yes.
Now I pitch a little bit down, okay?
Just a little bit, yeah. The trim is pretty good now.
Okay now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're at 1,200 already, so...
That's why I trim a little bit down just now.
I'll ease off the power a bit.
Sure. Phuket Tower, Hotel Sierra, Juliet Alpha, India, สวัสดีค่ะ
Hotel Sierra, Juliet Alpha, India, Phuket Tower, สวัสดีค่ะ
Beam Papa Kilo ค่ะ 1,000 feet direct to เกาะเฮแหลมพรหมเทพค่ะ
Hotel Alpha, India, Roger ค่ะ QNH 1008 maintain altitude not above 1,000 feet report over แหลมพรหมเทพ
QNH 1008 maintain altitude not above 1,000 feet report over แหลมพรหมเทพค่ะ Hotel Sierra, Juliet Alpha, India. Okay, we all set. That's Koh Hay, good John.
Straight.
Yeah, straight.
Oh,
This is Koh Lon.
yeah.
This is Lon Island.
Okay.
And that is Hay.
And Banana Beach, 12 o'clock.
Yep.
Just off the nose.
Beautiful night.
I don't know which one is Banana Beach. Does it mean the big one is Banana Beach?
I don't know which beach is Banana Beach.
I think the big one, because there are two beaches.
I think so too.
Yeah.
So can we drop down to 500 for
Sure.
Banana Beach? Good,
Yeah.
good.
You can fly around the island.
Okay.
Or you can just cross
around
first.
Koh Hay.
Yeah.
I have a couple of friends who are staying on the island tonight, and they might be on the
Oh,
beach.
really?
Still, even at this time,
Uh-huh.
because it's so beautiful.
Well, we get grass speed like a 90 knots, 91 knots,
Right.
92 knots. So we have tailwind, I think.
Very calm.
Yeah.
So I'm going to
That's the Banana Beach.
put it off the left wing now.
Sure.
Oh, what a beautiful night. Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah. Or you can turn back this way.
I think I will do that. I'll go over here, do a 360,
Okay.
or a 180 really.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, great view of Banana Beach.
Thing is still climbing.
Yeah, you have
I
to.
just can't get enough. Yeah, slow down, damn it.
You can, yeah. Oh, you can slow
Okay.
down, yeah. Slow
Yeah.
down. Yeah.
Take it down to 4,000.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't see people, but I'm sure that is Banana Beach. A
This
lot
one?
of equipment and stuff there. Piers, catamaran. There's a cell tower on that island.
Yeah.
So okay, so that's Koh Hay.
Okay, at this point, we've left Koh Hay and are headed to the southern tip of Phuket. From there, we'll fly over Lam Phum Thep and up the west coast of the island, then over the gap at Patong Hill to Kathu. Then we'll head over to Koh Hay, around the tip of Cape Yamu, and into our final approach to Phuket Airpark. There's the gap and the road out of Patong.
Right?
Yep.
Just below us,
Yes, just below us.
and then
Kathu.
Yeah, Kathu.
why don't we go this way? Because
sure.
we have a little more time.
Sure.
This will stretch it out a bit.
Okay. No problem. Okay, now over Kathu. It's raining.
Oh,
You see?
yeah. Now it's 1,000 feet.
Yeah, maintain 1,000 feet.
Okay.
And I will report over there
Okay.
at the.
I'll cross through this gap, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Phuket Tower, Hotel Sela, Juliet Alpha, India. Be breast of Papa Kilo 1000 feet. Mission complete. Return to Phuket Airpark.
So, my friends who may not know you, Amy,
Yeah.
I will explain
Uh-huh.
that Amy is, I would guess, I would probably say the general manager of Phuket Airpark.
Yeah.
She's a training pilot
Yeah.
and a GoPro camera and social media marketing expert.
Everything.
Yes, everything.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Phuket Tower, Hotel Sela, Juliet Alpha, India. West of Papa Kilo. Mission complete. Return to Phuket Airpark.
Oh, Robert has already landed, right?
Yeah, and now he is backtracking.
Okay.
Still on the runway.
Okay.
Okay, we will turn final.
We will
That's the
turn
run.
final. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we join long final. Good job.
Nice long final.
Yeah, we'll join long final.
And I got to get some altitude on. Okay.
It's okay, this plane when we off power, it will land.
Yeah.
Okay. I have to go a little bit left because to align to the runway.
Right.
Yeah.
Now runway clear.
Runway clear ค่ะ Hotel Alpha India.
Might put one more shoe in here
Yeah.
and a GoPro aimed right off the nose.
You
Just
can
leave
turn.
it to get landings.
I see.
If I turn this thing, would it get the landing?
Yeah, you have to turn the camera. I think we are on final.
We'll do it.
Yeah, we do it next time.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, good. I didn't realize that would swivel.
Yeah, you can swim.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. 300 feet.
Speed is 50 above the tree.
Tree. Yeah.
And then I put the full flap now. Fill on.
Full
Then
flap.
the strobe light.
Very nice.
Easy to land in this plane.